So I'm at the park. I just finished gym and now enjoying the sunshine that we have left. So when I was out at the park today, people looked at me funny. I even had one guy ask if he could help because I seemed a bit wasted to him. He actually thought I had a little bit too much to drink at that early hour. So I have to tell him I have a brain disease and it's situated in the area that controls my balance, which explains for my type of walking. So, while asking me if I was okay was a nice thing to do, he felt pretty ridiculous, as you can imagine. I thanked him and then went on my way.